Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com. I have a ton of stuff from Black Friday sales that I need to unpack, put away. Let's get the studio cleaned up. Like many of you, I did a little bit of shopping over Black Friday. The orders have been coming in, and just like a typical week, this studio has gotten a little bit messy after filming and creating and shopping and all the things. So it is time to do a little cleanup. I hope this video helps inspire you to get your space organized. Maybe you have some new craft supplies that have made their way in. I'm going to share with you some of the things I bought as I am storing them and getting them put away. Let's do this. All right, here's a look at my space. It's not too bad, actually. This is from filming and taking some photos. I have supplies kind of gathered back here, some shipments from Black Friday, and then I have some more kind of stacked up over here. So, task number one is going to be clearing off spaces, and then I'll have to start going through some of these packages. Let's do this. Step one is to clear off this workspace. I'm going to put away my filming equipment, which I store on the other side of the room, so that when I'm crafting and not filming, I can feel like I'm at a regular desk. It's just a lovely thing to not have all of the filming equipment out all of the time. I keep all the things for my flat lays right under my desk, so we're going to just put those back in their basket and find the place where this particular layout goes in my memory planner. You can see how full this memory planner is getting. It's crazy, but it feels good to clear off this desk for sure. Now, time to tackle this long counter in the back. This is where things get staged as I'm filming. I always tell my patrons the messiest days in the craft studio are days that I work on custom planner spreads, and this one is no different. This was a custom planner spread day. You'll see me kind of sorting through those here in a bit, and I end up pulling out all kinds of sticker books, all kinds of supplies. It just gets a little bit crazy. So I tend to work from one side of the counter to the other. If I start jumping around, then I will miss things and things don't get put away where they're supposed to. It just gets a little bit, I don't know. I like it just working from one end to the other so I can make sure everything gets cleaned up. Let me sort through these sticker books and then I will start putting them where they belong. Happy Planner sticker books all belong in this cabinet right here, sorted into their different categories. And then I head over, I've moved all of my other company's sticker books to a new bookshelf over in my room. It just helps me see them a little better. They were all in a cart, but it was getting a little weighed down, so it wasn't working so well. All right, now like I said, I was working on custom planner spreads. I work on these throughout the month and mail them all out together. So after I finish them, I go ahead and put them in an envelope. That way they stay nice and safe. Today I did 4 different ones. I'm excited to get these sent out along with some fun stuff that is coming up in 2024 for Patreon. I'm so pumped. There is a new big project coming to Patreon in 2024, and I've given my patrons a little sneak peek. I think they're going to be pumped about it. This is my project cart. This is where a lot of different videos and things get staged, and right now, of course, it is holding a lot of the things that I purchased over the Cyber Week and Black Friday, all of that stuff, multiple trays full of all of those goodies. So I'm just going to empty that all onto my main desk so I can go through it. There's a little sneak peek of a project I'm working on for Patreon in 2024. In progress, a few more in progress, and now we can just move this out of the way. All right, so I have a stack of stuff on my desk. Let me just do kind of a super quick haul, show you what I bought over the Black Friday time, Cyber Week time period, and then let's get it all put away because that's what needs to happen. So I shopped at Michael's, a couple of things I haven't even opened yet. So I brought my trash can over. Whenever I'm unboxing, it's always important to have a trash can nearby because there's a lot of stuff. So they had some good deals on markers. I got some new Posca paint pens. These are my favorite paint pens. I got some colors that I had not had before that I'm really excited. Look at those gorgeous gorgeous colors. Picked those up from Michael's. 3 new sets, which is crazy. I'm super excited. Also from Michael's, I picked up a lot more Cricut mats. It was buy one, get one 50%. No, it was everything. All the Cricut accessories were 50% off. So I got 3 sets of new mats and a new blade. So ready to put all of that away. Then let me see what else I have. I think the first place I ordered from was actually Live Love Posh. They had this huge thankful sale. I have a lot of Live Love Posh because I am on their affiliate team and I love it. Love their products. And I got a bunch of new stuff to help me with my 2024 setup. There's a lot of tape on here. This box is well protected. So sometimes you don't even remember what you ordered, which is super fun then to open it. Look at how cute. How cute is that? Love that. I ordered some fun clips. Those are in the shape of stars. They're just fun to add to pages. Definitely want to keep that. I'm going to move some of this stuff. Okay. I ordered a lot of dividers, I believe. Just move these. They have some dividers and covers. So a frosted cover classic. Then I ordered, ooh, so pretty, this snap-in cover. It is like a berry kind of color. Live Love Posh. Got that. Then some dividers, 2 sets of classic size dividers, each that have 6 tabs. Then I also got 2 sets of big size dividers. Each of those has 6 tabs, and then a planner cover in the big size. So lots of kind of little accessories from Live Love Posh that I'm planning on using in my setup for 2024. All right, something else that arrived. This was not Black Friday. This is actually from the Scrapbooking Coach. I received their monthly subscription kits. I'm so excited. Here is the one for December. Right in here, but I'm not going to open it right now because I'm going to do a full unboxing of this one. So this is going to go over on my project cart, but I can toss this box that it was mailed in. All right, just a few more packages to open. Did you all shop the Bridgerton release from the Happy Planner? They had the Be Happy box, and then they released several pieces that were exclusive to Amazon, and I picked up the sticker book. I am so excited. I think it is very pretty. And I'm looking forward to maybe using it in the coming year. Let me know if you want to see a flip through. I'm sure there's flip throughs out there, but I haven't picked up a ton of Happy Planner sticker books recently because I've been loving some smaller companies, but I do like Bridgerton, so that one was making its way in my cart. Definitely had to pick it up. All right, I actually have a couple of orders from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop, one of which I already busted open because I wanted to use it for a project. So I ordered her new sticker book. If you haven't checked it out this is not going to be very helpful. It is gorgeous. I've already used some stickers in it. She is a really talented artist. Love, love, love her stickers. I bought some last spring and I really enjoyed them. And so I wanted to buy some more. So I shopped before Black Friday because there was a great deal. There was an Etsy coupon. Every now and then there will be an Etsy coupon that pops up that just allows you to get just a random kind of percentage off, which I think is awesome. So that's when I bought her sticker book. And then I bought a few stickers, you guys. Just like, come on. She draws all of these by hand. Are you kidding me? If you haven't checked out JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop, this is so beautiful. I have been loving using these mostly on my daily pages, which might sound weird, but I think they go really nicely on a daily planner page just to set the tone for a page. I love these. And then first of all, look at this beautiful envelope she sends it in. It's like a super high quality. And then stop it. Are you kidding me? Look at those ornaments. For real. Go check out JoJo if you haven't. She has a shop on Etsy. I will link her below. I'm not affiliated with her at all. I just tried to shop a few smaller shops, and hers I love. And then I also shopped on Black Friday because JoJo had some great deals, and I'm excited to check out these deals as well. Ooh, very, very full. All right, let me make sure I got everything. I think I did. All right, so we have, oh my goodness. Let's see. Little note from JoJo. Thank you for supporting my small business. First of all, we have this red envelope, which has got to be Christmas, right? Like that's got to be a Christmas setup. Ooh, this is strong tape, JoJo. All right, the red envelope, so pretty, glittery. I hope you guys can kind of see, there it is, see the glitter on there. And I could not pass up a couple of things. First of all, look at these penguins, you guys. They are so cute. It's a whole set of all of these penguins having their winter fun. I'm sure you're going to see these make their way to my channel. I had to get the penguins, and then I had to get these cute dogs because, come on, they're adorable. Needed those, and I needed, look at those. These go with something else that I got from JoJo. I picked up a sticker. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And then this I'm very excited. This is a set of monthly calendar stickers, I believe, if I got this right. Yeah. It's like each month of the year, you get, these are all stickers. You get the calendar and then some decorative stickers. I have big plans for these. I bought the entire year over there. It's all these gorgeous florals drawn by JoJo. They're awesome. She's awesome. And I'm super glad I ordered from her. All right, so a business that I ordered from for the first time is Proud Sticker Designs. And I was super excited to give them a try and check out some of these really functional stickers. So things like this, gratitude lists, get it done. I got a couple of gratitude lists, couple get it done. What's working, I was going for some goal setting type things. What's not working, just lots of little things, little Instagram stickers, tons of functional focus. I just like all of these stickers. I think they're going to come in super handy. As again, I was thinking of getting things set up for 2024. Proud Stickers Designs has a ton of functional, beautiful writing over on their website. So go check them out as well. First time I ordered from them, I'll let you know what I think of the stickers. Again, I'm sure you're going to see them pop up on my channel as I start getting the planners set up for 2024. And then, whoo, this is a big one because I love Mojo Jojo Plans. Again, not affiliated with her at all, but love to support some small businesses. And I love her sticker books. They are so awesome and they come in so handy all of the time. So she had a fabulous sale. I feel like it was, a bunch of it was 50% off, which I could not pass up. So I just picked up a ton of sticker books that I had been kind of eyeing for a bit. We have autumn boxes, winter boxes, black shapes, dashboard black boxes, rainbow journaling boxes, and neutral journaling boxes. So I picked up 6 new sticker books from Mojo Jojo Plans. That was quite the haul. Now let's get it all put away. All right, back to the sorting process. Mojo Jojo books all go over on this bookshelf. I have completely filled one bin and now I'm going over to the other bin. Still got some room, but probably will get filled this year. I don't have a good storage system for my small sticker shops quite yet, but Mojo Jojo's envelopes keep her stickers very organized, and I'll put Proud Stickers Designs in there, knowing I'm going to want to come back to those pretty soon. Cricut supplies all end up in some Alex drawers. So let's just unpackage those, get them ready to go. I go through a lot of these mats because I do stickers every month for my Happy Mail for patrons. I've been doing a lot of projects with my Cricut. It is getting used a ton and those mats can certainly wear out. So it feels good to have fresh ones and fresh blades just in case. And these are my pen holders. I get tons of questions about these. I actually created these, or I made them using my Glowforge. So I made these in my studio using my Glowforge in clear acrylic. I love them. They are fabulous. And I'm so excited to use all of these new Posca paint pens. Off to put one last Bridgerton sticker book away, and then a few last little planner supplies here and there. This is my planner cabinet. All of these spaces kind of need to be cleaned out and started anew for 2024. So we'll see how that goes. I'm sure that's a project that I will be undertaking. So if you're interested in watching me clean out the studio, destash, get reorganized in the new year, make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, that should wrap it up. All right, lots of clear counter space, ready for some more fun to happen in this studio, and new things were looked at and put away, which is fabulous. I am super excited to start using some of those new shops. It feels good to have a clean space. Thank you so much for joining me today as I got my studio cleaned up and reset and ready to create again. I hope it inspired you to do a little bit of work in your space so that you are ready to be your creative self. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I hope that all of you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.